Cebu, a destination where history, culture, and adventure come together. Immerse yourself in vibrant city tours, stroll through heritage sites, and savor local flavors. Discover the breathtaking beauty of Kawasan Falls, swim with the gentle giants of Oslob, dive into the crystal clear waters of Moal Boal, home to the famous Sardine Run. From mountains to seas, Cebu promises unforgettable experiences for every traveler. An unforgettable journey awaits. Come visit Cebu.
Paraiso Travels and Tours. Mission: Paraiso Tour Guide aims to give travelers a fun, safe, and memorable experience by showing the beauty of nature and culture. We are committed to providing friendly service, honest guidance, and well-organized tours. Our goal is to help people discover paradise while respecting the environment and local communities. Vision: to be a trusted tour guide service that inspires people to explore and experience the beauty of paradise.
This is the introduction about Cebu City, Philippines. It is stated that Cebu is one of the country's most popular and historic city. Called the Queen City of the South, it is a major hub for tourism, business, and education. Famous for beautiful beaches, tasty food, and lively festival like Sinulog. The presentation will cover its history, culture, attraction, and explain why it's a top travel. This section lists the key service of Paraiso Travel and Tours, all tailored for families. Family-focused tour packages. Simple, relaxed schedule is sustainable for children. Beach resort trip with safe swimming spots. Safe transport with children seat. Travel planning help for easy, stress-free trips. Its main goals: help people explore and enjoy Cebu, beautiful spot, and making travel simple, fun, and easy. Service offered: tour package, hotel bookings, and transportation, all focus on safe, smooth, and high quality travel experience. Key highlights: it promotes a family tour package that includes beach trip, cultural tours, and fun activity designed for family bonding and creating unforgettable memories. It's in Central Philippines, Region 7, a narrow island 225 km long from north to south. Terrain: mountainous, highly interior with thin coastal areas. Cebu Strait is to its east. Capital: Cebu City, found in the island's east central part. Nearby major islands: Bantayan, Malapascua, and Mactan.
Basilica Minare de Santo Niño, found in the heart of Cebu City near Magellan's Cross. It is one of the oldest churches in the country and the well-known pilgrim site for Catholics. Magellan Cross, located in downtown Cebu City beside the Basilica Minore de Santo Niño. It is a historical symbol of Christianity in the Philippines and one of the most visited tourist spots in Cebu. Basilica Minore de Santo Niño, found in the heart Temple of Lee, known as Cebu's Monument of Love. This grand Roman-inspired temple was built by Teorico Adarna for his late wife, Lee Albino Adarna. The temple features majestic columns, statues, and a museum showcasing Lee's collection and legacy. It also offered breathtaking overlooking views of Cebu City. Temple of Lee, now sa Cebu Flower Garden, often called the Little Amsterdam of Cebu. Siargao Flower Garden is famous for its vibrant celestial flowers, colorful landscape, and Instagram-worthy attraction. Visitors can enjoy giant hand sculptures, windmills, heart-shaped decoration, and scenic mountain views, making a favorite destination for photograph and relaxation. Flower Garden, often called the Little Amsterdam of Cebu. Siargao Flower Garden is famous for its vibrant celestial flowers, colorful landscape, and Instagram-worthy attraction. Visitors can enjoy giant hand sculptures, windmills, heart-shaped decoration, and scenic mountain views, making a favorite destination for Toisy Temple, located in Beverly Hills Subdivision. The Cebu Toisy Temple is a place of worship built by the Chinese-Filipino community. The temple showcases traditional Chinese architecture, dragon sculptures, and peaceful surroundings. Visitors can experience the rich influence of Chinese culture and enjoy panoramic views of Cebu City. Toisy Temple, located in Beverly Hills Subdivision. The Cebu Toisy Temple is a place of worship built by the Chinese-Filipino community. The temple showcases traditional Chinese architecture, dragon sculptures, and peaceful.
This is our itinerary for Cebu City tour package for 3 days and 2 nights.
Soleil Hotel in Cebu. So if you're looking for a budget-friendly resort in Mactan with tons of pool, fun water activities, and family-friendly vibes, this place is definitely worth checking out all of this. Soleil Hotel in Cebu. So if you're looking for Ocean Park in Cebu, has 8 pool, meaning you'll never run out of place to swim. There's a gallon style, pool infinity style, and even pool design for the kids. And if you want something more exciting, they also have the inflatable aqua park near the beach. Imagine giant slides, climbing walls, and obstacle courses floating on the water. Super fun for both kids and adults. Ocean Park in Cebu has 8 pool, meaning you'll never run out of place to swim. There's a gallon style, pool infinity style, and even pool design for the kids. And if you want something more exciting, they also have the inflatable aqua park near the beach. Imagine giant slides, climbing walls, and obstacle courses floating on the water. Super fun for both kids and adults. Cebu Fun Park is designed as an ideal destination to unwind and enjoy, offering a variant atmosphere with various rides and attraction, perfect for creating memories moment with friends and family. It's all about the good vibes and letting loose. Cebu Fun Park is designed as an ideal destination to unwind and enjoy, offering a variant atmosphere with various rides and attraction. Mactan Grand Golden Restaurant. In the morning, don't miss the breakfast at the hotel. You get a wild selection of Filipino food favorites, bread, fruits, egg, and everything you need to start your day, right? They also have several bars and restaurants at around the resort, so drink and food are never problems.
For our last destinations, please wake up at 6 a.m. in the morning. Cebu Safari and Adventure Park is a large safari park in Cebu, where visitors can see different animals, enjoy nature, and experience fun outdoor activities. It is a popular family destination with wildlife attractions, gardens, and adventurous experience. Cebu Safari and Adventure Park is a large safari park in Cebu, where our last destinations here in Cebu, you will have to go the Mango Tree Souvenir Shop and you will have a given time of 30 minutes. And from the 2 p.m., we will going back at Soleil Hotel for checkout. Cebu Tour Package 3 days and 2 nights. Tour package inclusion round-trip airfare via Manila to Cebu to Manila, accommodation, daily breakfast, air-conditioned transportations van, driver and fuel, entrance fees and parking fees, travel assistance and safety support, free Wi-Fi. Cebu Tour Package 3 days and 2 nights, target market, families and young children. Cebu Tour Package 3 days and 2 nights for only 8,348 per pax, available between May 26 to 28 to get a 20% discount per person. If you have more questions about our tour package in Cebu City for 3 days and 2 nights, let's visit us 2nd floor Mabini Building 1250 Rojas Boulevard, Ermita, Manila, Philippines. Our website account www.paraisotravelsandtoursph.com. Gmail paraisotravelsandtours.ph@gmail.com. Our phone number 017-162-5009. Our telephone number 28-456-7821. Our Facebook account, Paraiso Travels and Tours. Our Instagram account, Paraiso Travels and Tours. And lastly, our TikTok account, Paraiso Travels and Tours. Thank you for choosing our Cebu Tour Package, where every journey becomes a memorable adventure, from the beautiful beaches and rich culture to exciting attractions and delicious foods. Cebu offers experience perfect for families, friends, travels of all ages. Travel with us and discover the beauty, fun, and warmth of Cebu City.